Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to remap due dates and reassign tasks here in Clickup. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Clickup, I need you to hit the sign up option. And from here, just to follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Remapping due dates and reassigning tasks in ClickUp is a straightforward process that can significantly improve the project management and of course the team productivity. Now, before anything else, I want you to go to your interface because if you are on the list view, you're not going to be able to remap due dates and reassign tasks in ClickUp. Make sure you are on the Gantt view because here we can drag the task and the timeline here on the Now here, for you to be able to remap this due date right here, all you have to do is to scrub all this. You can zoom out so you can check the timeline here where you need to scrub. We have a separate video on how to use the timeline here in ClickUp. You might want to check that on our channel. But basically, we're just going to hover this around second quarter of the 2024. Right? Once you have remapped the due dates right here, just click on it and we're going to reassign the task. And the assignee right now is going to be me. But of course, this is going to be for a personal tutorial. If you are working with multiple people around the your ClickUp account, you might want to put in their email address or their username here, and you would be able to assign that one. For example, it's going to be this one right here. So I have now reassigned this to a different profile. All right. But the thing is, that's how you basically reassign and remap due dates here in ClickUp. Now for recurring tasks or processes, remapping due dates is very essential to ensure that the future iterations align with the latest project schedules. And of course, if different people handle recurring tasks at a different time, for example, shifts, rotations, reassigning tasks streamlines any handoffs and keeps the workflow organized. I find it very useful in terms of working with a team environment because remapping due dates and reassigning tasks helps in ClickUp maintaining flexibility, ensuring proper task distribution, and allowing for seamless adaptation to changing project needs and team dynamic. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.